3941 Whitehall, Padlock renovation. Bush is gonna need to be trimmed, grass is gonna need to be cut. So walk inside, there's scratches on the wooden floors throughout. Most of them are surface. There are a few actual cuts that needs to be checked out. As you can see, it's gonna be a large trash out. Previous tenant left a lot of belongings. It's also gonna be a large touch-up paint. It's not our color, it's white. Full paint throughout, it's our color. Missing light glue, needs to be replaced. Mildew stains in the freezer and refrigerator. Needs to be clean. Missing 2 eyes on the stove. You see, most of the house is wooden paneling. Smoke detector is not working. Replace the batteries. If that doesn't work, replace the smoke detector. Toilet seat's loose. Toilet is tight. It's missing a shower head. Needs to be replaced. There is no carbon detector. One needs to be installed. A few small stains in the carpets. I believe it'll come out. Needs to be checked out. Small hole here in the wall, one with a hairline crack under the windowsill. Hairline crack in the ceiling as well. They all need to be repaired. Got some actual scratches in the wood in here, in the bedroom. Small damage to the wall from the doorknob. It's gonna need door stops. More trash that needs to be removed. And that's about it.